For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll be installing a standard Wi-Fi compact charger. The installation of the GSM and non-GSM models is identical with only a few minor differences during the commissioning procedure. Loosen the enclosure screws with the star key. Remove the front cover. With the front cover removed, you can now see the drilling points for the supply cable hole, bottom and rear, the connection block and power connectors, the 4 fixing points for mounting the enclosure to the wall. Drill out your supply cable hole, only using the centre pilot drilling point. Install the provided grommet. We do not recommend using a compression gland for cable entry. If using an SWA gland, we advise to use an additional lock ring outside the enclosure as a spacer, or a black galvanised conduit coupling with bush. Then gland the SWA to the coupling. Please do not use an SWA earth monocle inside the charger. Pre-drill the enclosure in the 4 fixing points. Mark the holes on the wall, check the enclosure is level. Then secure the enclosure to the wall using appropriate fixings. Insert the supply cable through the grommet and cable grip. If supplying the charger from the rear, the supply cable must be suitably dressed so that the outer insulation does not push through the cable grip onto the grommet. This grommet must be used when supplying from the rear. Terminate the supply cable and dress the cables so they do not touch the PCB when the front cover is installed. Connect the earth. Then connect the live and neutral connector. Carefully place the front cover of the charger onto the enclosure. It's very important to make sure nothing is touching the PCB when screwing on the front cover. Then fit the 4 rubber bungs provided. We hope you found this content helpful. For further information, please check out the SyncEV website and installer portal. You can stay up to date with our product ranges and our latest innovations by subscribing to the BG SyncEV YouTube channel and following @SyncEV on all social media channels. We would love to see your compact charger installations, so please share your pictures with us on the installer portal on the SyncEV website, www.syncev.co.uk. All links can be found in the description below. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.